guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, मैंने जब प्रीवियस शॉर्ट डाला था तो उसमें बहुत सारे लाइक्स आप लोगों ने दिए थे. So guys, आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको लास्ट में एंड ऑफ द वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू the shout out, so just watch till end. So guys, today we are going to make a jigsaw puzzle. So let's see whatever we need for it. We need scissor, pen or marker, scale, cardboard and glue. Okay, so let's get started with our work. First of all, you have to do like this. तो गाइस आपको कुछ ऐसे नंबर्स लिखने हैं 6, तो आप कोई भी लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ का ले सकते हो. तो यहाँ मैंने मेजर नहीं किया इस वजह से. So now you have to cut its edges. So let's cut. Okay, so I have cut it and don't just. We need this also, so don't throw it. So now, so guys, I have just covered it with chart paper. You can pick any color of chart paper. Okay. Now guys, let me show you what to do next. So guys, here I have made a picture of Mickey Mouse and it's not very nice. Like that. Now we have to take this. Cut our glue then. We have to just do it like, let me show you how we have to do. Like this, just stick it. Now like this guys, when you have stick, just trim out the sides. I have done. So now let's cut it into the parts. Let me set the camera first. So let's see carefully how Okay guys, so after cutting the puzzles over here on the frame, now we are going to take one more cardboard piece like this, which is okay, like this. Now let's cover it with chart paper. Now guys, after covering, just apply like this. We are going to stick, right? Just apply the glue on the sides of this. Let me apply just a second. Okay, so after doing this, stick it. Now let's arrange the puzzle. Okay. So I am a bit confused at what to do now. This was in between this I have arranged the puzzle, so our homemade jigsaw puzzle is ready. Guys, hope you like this. You can draw any cartoon character of your choice. So now go and see the shout outs. Bye bye, take care.